Good morning, my name is John Cooper. We're here at Second Chance University in Sanford, Florida, HVAC school. Today we're going to learn about brazing, and let's get started. Well, let me explain what brazing is. Brazing is the joining process to use heat and filler metals to bond, to get a strong bond between surface metals. So let's get started. I have here two copper pipes that need to be sanded so we can get a strong bond. So I'm gonna sand this a little, tap it in, and add the second pipe. And then we have here the torch. We have the settling and the oxygen tanks. We use those to bond, to heat the metal so we can get a connection and a good bond. So I'm gonna start by turning on the acetylene just a little, and then I'm gonna turn the oxygen all the way. I'm gonna open it up all the way. Now you got that set, you wanna crack open the acetylene, and what I do is I crack open both just a little, and I grab a striker. Strike it. And then what you do is if you want intense heat, you want to make the secondary flame small. If you want lesser heat, you want to make it larger. Now what you want to do, you want to heat the copper pipes until they turn red hot. You want to grab your soldering stick and you want to heat that in between the cracks. You want to melt it all the way around. You know it's melting when you see that green color. And now it's not hot enough. The flame will turn green. So you want to direct the solder around the edges. And if you notice that you don't have any cracks or gaps, you want to turn the torch off. You want to turn off the settling, and you want to turn off the oxygen to the right. Then you grab the towel, a dry clean towel, and you want to wet it. I can't wet it. Want to cool off the copper pipes. Make sure it's cool. And once it's cool, you want to take off the rag and you want to check for any holes or any gaps. I don't see any, so therefore I'm done. And that was brazing. Signing out.